Remove the makeup. Cleanse the face thoroughly. Apply toner. IRF targets under eye shadows and fine lines for visible improvement. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3-inch. Evenly apply RF cream to the treatment area. Lift from the eye corner towards the temple in an upward motion. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eye corner towards the temple. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Evenly apply RF cream to the treatment area. Face RF, lifting and firming. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3-inch. Move the handle upward to promote lifting. Glide the handle in circular motions across the area. Sphere. Promote blood circulation. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3, mode, default. Start from the chin and move upwards in a straight line. Lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Apply facial serum. Cooling, calming skin. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3-inch. Glide the handle in circular motions across the area. Apply a facial mask. Remove the mask. Cleanse the face. Followed by the regular skincare routine.